Hello friends, and welcome to the first part on lambdas. In this video, we will try to understand what is a lambda. Lambda in Java 8 can be thought as an anonymous function. Let's break this two-letter word into two parts, anonymous and function. Anonymous in English means something that does not have a name, and function in Java means a method. So anonymous function means a method without a name. So a lambda can be thought as a method without a name. Let's understand this concept a bit deeper and with an example. Let's start writing a simple method in Java. This method just prints hello world. So there is nothing special. The method looks something like this. I define a method and call it greet. It is a public method and returns nothing, and the name of the method is greet, and it says sysout hello world. Perfect. There is nothing new or nothing complex till now. Now the question is, how do I convert this simple method into a lambda? For this, we have to follow a few rules. And the rules are, number one, we have to remove the access modifier. What is the access modifier here? The access modifier is public, so we remove it. The next rule is we have to remove the return type. So we remove the return type. The next rule is we have to remove the method name. So let's remove the method name. So now what are we left with? We are left with the method argument. So in this case, it's just empty method argument, and the body of the lambda, which is just a sysout, which prints hello world. Now how do I convert this method into a lambda, right? So we have this, so I just write it the empty method arguments and the body of the lambda, and in between this I add a arrow function, and this, my friends, converts your simple Java method into your first lambda. Let me just recap. So what we have done here is this simple method can be converted to a lambda with few rules. The rules are, we have to remove the access modifier, the return type, and the method name. And between the method argument and the body of the method, we have to add a arrow symbol, and this will convert your method into a lambda. Hope friends, this video was informative. See you in the next video where we go hands-on. Thank you.